Hello kids, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn shapes and colors. Let's learn some colors first. Red color, blue color, yellow color, orange color, light green color, black color, sky blue color, violet color, white color, brown color, purple color. Let's draw the shapes. Circle. This is a circle. 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 Heart. This is a heart. Heart. Octagon. This is a octagon. Octagon. This is an octagon. Octagon. This is an octagon. Square. This is a square. Square. This is a square. Star. This is a star. Star. This is a star shape. Triangle. This is a triangle. Triangle. Let's revise again. Circle, heart, octagon, square, star, triangle. Circle, sky blue color. Sky blue color. Heart, red color. Red color, heart. Heart. Yellow color, octagon. Yellow color, octagon. Orange color, square. Orange color, square. Orange color, square. Purple color, star. Purple color, star. Star. Light green color, triangle. Light green color, triangle. Let's revise again. Circle, sky blue color, heart, red color, octagon, yellow color, square, orange color, star, purple color, triangle, light green color. Let's match the colors. Sky blue color, red color, heart, yellow color, octagon, orange color, square, purple color, star, light green color, triangle. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.